Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a custom message showing on my Mac lock screen. So if you're seeing a message on your Mac lock screen that you no longer want or you simply don't know why it is appearing, then don't worry, it usually means the lock screen message feature is turned on. You can either hide the message completely or edit it if you want to replace it with something else. Both options are available in the same settings page, and to do so, click on the Apple logo first and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to lock screen. Now here, as you can see, I have enabled the toggle right to show message when logged, and I have also set a custom message here. That's why the message I have added here will appear on the lock screen. So if you want to delete it completely, then all you just need to disable the toggle right to it. And if you want to edit that message, then all you just need to click on the set button, and then from here you can delete the previous message and write a new one, and finally click on OK. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.